In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Groups for effective business collaboration in Google Workspace. Google Groups is a fantastic tool that can revolutionize the way your teams collaborate by creating centralized group email addresses, simplifying communications, and managing permissions all in one place. Let's dive into a step-by-step guide on setting up Google Groups in your Google Workspace. First, you'll want to navigate to Google Workspace. Once there, locate the admin console. This is your central hub for managing users and their access to Google services within your organization. Clicking on it will lead you to the login page. Make sure to enter your business email address. This ensures you have the necessary administrative permissions to create and manage groups. With access to the admin dashboard, the next step is to head over to the Google Apps menu, situated at the top right corner of your screen. This area houses various Google services and applications your organization uses. Click on the admin icon, which grants you further control over user management and settings. Next, navigate to the directory. This feature is crucial as it provides a comprehensive list of all users within your organization. This is where you'll manage existing users and, importantly, set up new groups. Now locate and click on the Groups option. Here you'll see any groups that already exist within your organization and find the option to create new ones. To start setting up, click on Create a Group. You will need to fill out some basic group information, starting with the group name. This should be a clear and concise identifier for the team or function the group represents. Next is the group email, which acts as the central email address for all communications sent to this group. It's also helpful to include a group description to outline the group's purpose clearly. This aids other employees in understanding the intent behind the group, especially if they stumble upon it in the directory or a shared resource list. Click Next and you'll move on to selecting the access type. This setting determines who can see, join, or interact with your group. You can select an access level that best aligns with your organization's security and communication policies. Furthermore, fine-tune the access settings to control specific permissions, such as who can post and view messages or manage group membership. Adjusting these carefully ensures that your group functions smoothly and securely. Once you've confirmed the settings, simply click Create Group. You've successfully created a centralized communication channel for a specific team or project. The final step involves adding members to your group. Begin inviting team members or colleagues to foster seamless and enhanced collaboration across projects or ongoing efforts. And there you have it. You've successfully set up a Google group within Google Workspace, streamlining communication and collaboration across your business. I hope this guide helps streamline your team's procedures and enhances productivity. Thanks for watching and happy collaborating.